I'm Jen Thoden, and welcome to Your Color Style. I am so excited to be helping you along this journey of reinventing yourself with color. Now, you probably arrived here because you are looking to figure out what colors look best on you, so you've come to the right place. Now, normally on this page, there is an opt-in form for you to start your quiz, and it's still there. So if you want to take the quiz, it's a lot of fun, it's interactive, it's email-based, and there's a form directly below that you can do that. But I also want to introduce you to a brand new course. It's called Discovering Your Best Colors, and it's just up to date, better, very video based, and I think you're really going to enjoy that. So you can also opt in to do that as well. There's a form directly below this video where you can enter in your name and email address and have immediate access to this free course. It's going to walk you through step by step. It's going to show you lots of examples, and hopefully at the end of it, you're going to know exactly what colors will look best on you. So please look below, make your choice, go see both, have fun with it, and I'll see you in either the quiz or in the course. Thank you so much for stopping by.